Oh, you guys, I have something crazy to tell you. Okay, let me just turn down the volume. Jeez. Oh my gosh, okay, so, wait, I need to stay there. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, so you know Moon, like, the popular people that are on those LPS, not the LPS, oh my gosh, right there. Oh, her. That's Wistria Moon. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but let me just move this thing a little bit. See, I don't think this is the right person. Okay, whatever. It's just weird. Okay. Anyways, let me just get this back in the right position, and I'm super happy about this. Okay, people? Really happy. And I'm gonna tell you this. You know her friend Rainy or something, whatever his name is? Yeah, look. Well, not someone else. Okay, sorry. She gave me a gift. There. Okay, sorry. And then, see, look. Remy! Yay, I'm happy. Okay, guys. Okay. Because you know you guys have been watching this thing for a while. Okay, please let me have a tea, and please say hi to please. I'm never getting rid of her player card. Oh my jeez! I'm never letting go of it. I don't know how to take a screenshot, or else I would. If I knew how to. Yeah, see? Yay! Yay! I got a shout out. Yeah, that's what my name is. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause this for a second, okay? Okay, sorry guys. I'm never letting go of this player card anymore. I'm just gonna have it on my screen all the time. OMG, still have her PLAY player PA. Okay guys, I'm gonna start like, oh my gosh. I'm super happy. This is her username, FYI. Please jam a grammar something to me. No gifts, please. I know, I wouldn't be like that. Okay, I'm gonna keep. Oh, there she is! OMG. There she is again. I think we're just like do that. No! Wait, is that her? Oh, geez, whatever. No, I'm keeping that cheese hat forever. No. I don't care about the rare stuff. I care about a cheese hat that she gave me. I'm keeping these 3 forever. Forever. I'm super happy. Oh, smile? Who said smile? No clue. Oh, yeah, that's someone I want to be friends with. Oh, I can't ever let go of her playing card. I'm too happy. OMGs. Thanks. Oh, geez, thanks. BTW. You are better than GLUIN. Oh no. She gifted me a CHE cheese hat. She gifted me a cheese hat! And now I have it. Oh, I'm so happy. Moon! Yay! Tee. I'm gonna tell her something. No! I am keeping the hat for Evs. I'm keeping the hat for Evs. Wait, where's the proof? I am making a vid. I'm making a vid! That's proof! Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. BRB. BRB! Oh, I'm super happy. I want her to be my friend. I aren't believing you. I need that proof. Okay, then on you on okay, then on you okay, then on you TU look up and moon saw AFT after 9DON. What the frick? I'm happy. Clap along if you feel. Sorry. So I'm a little sick. Thanks for the CHE. Thanks for the CHE. CHSE. His hats and the ART Arctic hats. Yes, that's her user. Oh, what did she give me? That just sucks though. Sorry. I'm happy. Happy. It's about 10 minutes already. I'm so happy though. Okay, wait. Delete. No. Can't delete that one. Can't delete that one. Can't delete that one. Okay. Be very careful every time I come past those. Okay, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, back. Sorry, I had to do something real quick. I'm so happy. Are they both still on? I want to notice that. Oh, wait. 1 second. I had buddy request on for a reason. Wait. I need buddy request on. Do this and say, please buddy me if you can. Okay, wait. W-O-U-L-D. Please be buddy me if you can. W-O-U. Sorry if you hear my dad like cracking up. W-O-U. I would have really liked it. Thanks. I'm never trading that stupid thing. It's not stupid. It's not stupid. Okay. Okay. Please buddy me if you can. I would W-O-U would have really liked it. Thanks. I'm so happy I never gave this away. Oh, let's go. Always on site now. Wait. My play cards. I forgot. Do they look different than eagles? No. Okay. Oh, they're off. They're off. No. Okay. What do you say? What else should I say? You are no, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. No, it's like mean. Like, okay, whatever. I just need to like. You are really nice to me. Thank you. Hurry. Okay, I don't know what I should give. I don't know if they're fakes, so for real, that doesn't really matter to me. Not that I like that. Those again. No. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm like really happy. Happy. Okay guys, I think this is the end of the video, so